Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change stream title on OBS 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to go to settings. Now choose stream from here, this one. Now you can see here you have to choose Twitch. Then now you have to click on connect account recommended. Now you have to connect the account of Twitch. Now you have to put here your username, Twitch username and Twitch password. Then you have to log in. So after giving your ID and password, you have to click on login. Now it is authenticating. Hold on. Okay, your Twitch account has been logged in. After that, you have to click on apply and then you'll find this title box here. You have to write here anything. Example, you can give your title here. Okay. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.